Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn how to create a model course in Milaulas. So we're going to milaulas.com and we're going to find a screen like this and we're going to type the name that we want to give to our site. So let's say group 1. Okay, and we type in here our email address. I have already here mine. And we select the language, English. We click on yes and select site. Okay, so it says in here that we're going to receive an email. So we have to go to our email and wait for a bit. So in our email, we're going to find something like this, with these links. We have in here our user and our password. So we click on the first link and we go to log in. And here we type our user, that is admin, and we type our password. Then click in login. Okay, so we have in here where we are going to create our course. Okay, so we go to site home. And if you want to see a tutorial of how to create a course, you can follow the steps or you can enter. Okay, in here we have the name of our course. Let's see, and down in here we are going to find the tab where we can create the course, add new course. Okay, we're going to give the name, let's say English at home maybe, and a short name, English, just English. So we find in here a lot of descriptions, a lot of options that we can add to a course. For now we're going to leave it like that. I just want to show you here the dates, because we can create our course like weekly courses. So let's say that our course is going to start on May 17th and is going to end on March 10th, 2021. Okay, and here we're going to create our description. Okay, we can upload an image in here if we want to give our course an image, and we're going to save and display. Okay, so we have in here our course. We can type in here the name of our participants, the name of our students, enroll users, and you enroll them. And you will find in here the topics that you created before. Okay, so they don't have a name right now, so we can click in the first one, and up in here at the name of the course we have to select turn editing on, so we can edit the course. Since they don't have a name, and if we want to give them a name, we can edit in here, and let's say that it will be week number 1. So we click on enter and the name will change. Again, week number 2, enter, and the name will change. If you have too many courses created and you want to delete one of them, you just have to go to edit and delete topic. Okay, So we go to the first week. You can click on add an activity or resource, and you will find here a lot of resources that we can use. And actually this is quite good because there are the basic tools that we use when creating a course. And I like this very much because there are a lot. I know they are basic, but there are a lot. You can create a chat, you can give an assignment, you can give feedback. Let's see, in here we have workshops. We can add labels, we can add another site. We have so many options to add in here, and we can do it in every week. Okay, so let's try to upload an image. Let's see, it will be a label, and you can go to down here and click on add. Okay, so in this box you can type like welcome, let's say, and add an image in here. You go to the browser and we just wait for a moment. Okay, so we go here to recent files, and you will find here, I don't have it right now, but you will find in here all the files that you have uploaded, or you can upload a file in here. Choose file, let's say this one or this one, and open. Okay, so you upload the file and you will find it in your gallery. Then save image, and this is asking us for a description of the email. Let's see, description not necessary. Let's choose that just for this example, and save image. So we have in there the image, and we go to save and return to course. Okay, we have our image in there for a welcoming page. We can do the same in every week, or we can add, for example, a chat. So in this side of the screen, you can find participants. You will see in here all your students. You can find badges, competencies that you can create for your course. In here, you can see the grades of every student in here, the first name, surname, email address, and the grade. Then you can go and see every week, one by one, in here, to check what you have done, what you have uploaded. Then we go in here to site home, and just right down here we're going to find our course, and we can click in here if we want to create another course. So this is how you create a course in milaulas.com. Thank you for your attention.